Ooh, Dana, you beat that chair out.
Fuck yeah.
Look at the rain.
Make sure it doesn't get really wet. Hold like
There's your mic. I'm standing under
I'm doing
you.
right here.
Off this?
No, I'm coming down that hill. See my ride? You got
This is the dyno. That was my bike.
They traded him.
That he traded him for nothing. That we should talk to. Him wearing his sweater and his work boots.
Dude, just open the door and sit in the truck and put it out the window.
This is my
Dana,
Jeep.
Hold on, we're getting in the Jeep and sticking it out the window.
Look at my Jeep.
Dylan, let's get in here and
Look at
stick it
this.
out the window.
My Jeep. My dad's Jeep.
I'm sitting in
My Jeep. Get out of my Jeep, bitch. Here we go, boy.
Here. Hold it.
Oh man, this is my Jeep.
Just fucking put it out the window like that.
We should go start up my bike, man. Dude, let's go get shit. See the shit out back. Let's go, man.
Let's go see what out back?
Keep it going. Let's go start the fucking Raptor up to see if it's straight.
You know it's not gonna start.
Man.
The Yamaha.
Where's the video thing?
Right here.
Still on?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Look at that shit right there.
This thing's a piece of shit.
Fuck you, it is.
Stick it in the tailpipe. Wait, don't start it. I'm just looking at the pipe. Okay, there.
It won't start. It'll backfire and blow up.
Fuck you.
Dylan Harris's 660 Raptor.
Fuck man.
Told you it works great, man. Don't run me over. Yeah, so.
Motherfucker.
I'm gonna go start up to 250.
Anyway.
Fuck this.
Yeah, it works great, you know.